It took less than 12 months to earn 30K per month online. Guess what we sell? Dried fruits and nuts. Our strategy? TikTok shop. Who knew dried fruits could bear such rewards? I'm going to cut through the fluff and show you how it's possible. After 25 years in business, raising millions in funding and growing napkin ideas into multi-million pound operations, I've mastered a replicable process to earn income and get the time and financial freedom only the 1% enjoy. You might be thinking it won't work for you. Maybe you've tried making money online or starting your own business, but felt stuck, overwhelmed, and wonder how others seem to succeed. Maybe you feel unfulfilled, knowing you're capable of more, doing something you love, and providing more for your family and future. I've been there. Years ago, I was in the same spot, afraid to take that first step, not knowing where to start. It wasn't until I learned from someone who showed me exactly how to build and scale a business that things began to change. Now I want to do the same for you. With my help, building your own successful business will be easier than you think. TikTok Shop is still less than a year old, and it's the opportunity of a lifetime. Think about the people who got in early on Amazon before it became saturated, competitive, and expensive. TikTok Shop is that same opportunity right now. At LaunchTik, we make it fun and easy to build your business by leveraging TikTok Shop. No experience or following required, nor a fit body or any sleek dance moves. TikTok Shop is still in its early days, meaning the competition is low and the opportunities are endless. Take Humaira. She built up her own modest fashion brand, earning £4 million on TikTok by January 2024 and winning the Businesswoman of the Year. Or Alana. She sells brownies and cakes on TikTok. She was struggling, but after launching on TikTok, she turned her business around and sold over 110,000 items in less than a year. Or Panda Cuddles, a toilet tissue brand. Simply by selling toilet rolls, they have become a top seller with over 100,000 items sold. Or Humaira, for instance. She started with no experience, no followers, but had a passion to start her own online business. Now, after joining our program, she makes £3,000 per month selling snacks from around the world. Or Hassan, who knew nothing about TikTok, but now gets daily orders for his health supplement thanks to our program. And we have hundreds of examples like these. And here's the best part. You don't need a following to be a TikTok expert or even have a product in mind. With our mentorship, coaching, and step-by-step guidance, you will learn how to go from zero to making £1,000 a day in under 2 weeks. At LaunchTik, we're not offering a course. We're building a community, people helping each other succeed. You'll be among like-minded people working together to turn dreams into reality. In this community, we leverage each other's success, knowledge, skills, and resources. Together, we go further. And alone, we can only reach so high. Over 12 weeks, we'll help you build, launch, and scale a successful TikTok shop business. You will receive one-on-one coaching, personalized strategies, and access to a network of experts shortcutting your success by giving you all the do's and don'ts. At the heart of this program is one goal: your success. Whether you want to be hands-on and do every step yourself, or prefer to have me and my team do it for you. The TikTok Accelerator program was designed to remove every obstacle and avoid every mistake. You don't need tech skills or a huge budget. Just follow our process and we'll guide you from start to finish. So what happens if you sign up today? Click the button below to apply and book a time to speak with us. Either myself, my partner, or a colleague would personally jump on a call with you to assess if this program is the right fit. We don't accept everyone. And if you believe this is the right fit for you, and if we believe this is the right fit for you, we'll help you every step of the way to ensure your success. Don't just take our word for it. Check out what our current cohort of students have had to say about their experience below on this page. And remember, it won't cost you anything to hit the apply button and speak to us. At the very least, you'll walk away with some valuable information at the end of the conversation, even if we decide this isn't the right fit for you. Click the button below to apply, and let's see if you're ready to take the next step towards building a successful TikTok shop. Spaces are limited and this opportunity won't last forever. Whether you're just starting or ready to scale, we're here to help you succeed.